Salvete omnes, and welcome into another edition of Latin Review. In today's episode, we'll be going over Exercitium primum. Join me. Bene, salvete omnes. In this video, I'll be reviewing the new vocabulary for the first lectio. Let's start with number 1. Italia inter duo Maria blank. And the verb we're looking for combines inter and esse, meaning to be between. And there's one Latin active verb that means to be between, which doesn't exist in English. The verb is inter est. Meaning Italy is between two seas. Inter est inter duo Maria. And now you might be wondering, why do we have inter twice? Once as a preposition and once in the verb. And the answer I can give you is we don't really need to have it twice, but it's adding emphasis, and it doesn't hurt to have it twice. For instance, we could get rid of inter and just say that Italy is between two seas. Or alternatively, we could get rid of the preposition if we changed duo Maria to duobus maribus and put it in the dative. We could say Italy is between duobus maribus, and it would mean the same thing. Italy is between two seas. I'll give you another example of this to help clarify. We've seen a sentence such as Marcus ad vilam adit, meaning Marcus goes towards the villa. And we have ad twice, once as a preposition and once in the verb adire. Adit means to go towards, ad it. And here, it's the same thing. We don't actually need to have the preposition twice. We could get rid of the ad here, and because ad takes adit can go with vilam without it changing, and it would still mean Marcus goes to the villa. But it adds emphasis, and it doesn't hurt to also include the preposition ad. Bene, after that brief digression, let's go to number 2. Id mare quod supra Italiam situm est, mare superum. Sive mare Hadriaticum appellatur. And here, situm est means it is situated. So that sea, which is situated above Italy, is called appellatur mare superum. Sive mare Hadriaticum. And sive means or, in the same sense that well means or. Bene, number 3. Infra Italiam situm est mare inferum. Sive tuscum. Number 4, in Tiberi flumine non multum, sed Paulum aquae est. So not much, but little of water is in Tiberi flumine. And Tiberi here is one of those irregular nouns that has the I in the ablative, just as Mari can have the I in the ablative. Bene. Number 5, itaque magnae naves Romam adire non possunt. And so large ships, non possunt, are not able to go towards Rome via the Tiber River. Number 6, Ostia est oppidum maritimum. Maritimum, quod magnum portum habet. So it's a sea town, it's a town near the sea. So it's oppidum maritimum, quod magnum portum habet, which has a large port, a locus where ships are able to go towards the land. Number 7, in ora maritima multi sunt portus. So ora maritima is the sea shore. In the seashore, there are many ports. Os fluminis est locus, right? This is the substantive noun form of the question, right? Where, ubi, where, the adverb where. Os, the mouth of the river, is a place, a locus, quo, in which, flumen in mare influit. And influere means to flow into. So where the river flows into the sea. Number 9, res quas mercatores emunt et vendunt, merces decuntur, right? They're called merces. Number 10, cum nullus ventus flat mare tranquillum est. Cum magnus ventus flat mare turbidum est, right? Ventus is wind, and flat means blows, when the wind blows. Blank est magnus ventus, tempestas est magnus ventus. Tempestas is tempest or storm. It's a large wind. Number 13, tempestas mare turbat, meaning tempestas facit mare turbidum. It makes the sea turbulent. It agitates the sea, stirs it up. Atque altos luctus facit. It makes large waves. Qui navem aqua implere possunt. Waves which are able to fill, into implere, to fill the ship with what? With aqua. Navis quae aqua impletur in mare mergitur cum nautis. So it's submerged in the sea, the ship that's filled with water, just like the head of Marcus is submerged into the washing basin in the morning. Bene, number 15, itaque nautai, right? Homines qui naves ducunt et gubernant, ergo nautai tempestates metuunt, tempestates timent, nec mari turbido navigare volunt, and they don't wish to sail when the sea is turbulent. Number 16, is qui navigare vult, ventum secundum operitur. Nonne? Let's see, are there 2 P's or 1 P? There may be 2 P's, and I may be deceiving you into thinking there's only one. Let me check. There are 2 P's. Double consonants are certainly the bane of my existence. Bene, 17, ventus secundus, which means a good wind, essentially, favorable wind. Est ventus qui a tergo flat, a wind that blows from behind so it can fill the sails of the ship. And a brief word on operitur, it looks passive, but its meaning is active. It means that the sailors wait for the good wind. And it's a deponent verb. Deponents are those that look passive but are actually active. Number 18, vento secundo naves e portu egrediuntur. And this is another one that is deponent, so it means that the ships exeunt, ex portu, when there's a ventus secundus. 19, blank navium vento implentur. Vella navium vento implentur. Right, the sails of the ships are filled with what? Vento. Bene, I hope that this review was helpful for you. If you have any questions about any of these, please let me know in class, and look forward to seeing you. Wale.